Morning, this is call number 2022-20030 in the interest of Aiden Ellis. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, Miss Ellis. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Taylor Ellis. I am Aiden Ellis's mother and primary caregiver.
All right, you can put your hand down. And representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office,
Luis Regla.
court will note that Salvador Cruz Garcia is the non-custodial parent. Mr. Garcia was personally served on June 28, 2022 at 6:09 p.m. at 2219 Wimpcrest Street in Galveston County, Texas. And he made an appearance on October 3rd, 2022, signed a reset order setting this matter for a Zoom hearing today, and he is not checked in. Is that correct, Mr. Regula?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother as the witness.
All right.
Ms. Ellis, have you ever been married?
No, I have not.
Have you ever alleged anyone other than Mr. Salvador Cruz Garcia can be the father of Aiden Ellis?
No.
And in fact, is he the true biological father of Aiden Ellis?
Yes, he is.
Okay, and going forward, you're requesting the court appoint you joint managing conservators, but to give you the exclusive right to determine where Aiden lives. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and you have no objection to the father getting the standard possession order. Is that true?
That is true.
And Aiden has Medicaid right now. Is that right?
That is correct.
We don't have any proof of the father's income. Is that right?
That's correct.
However, we do know that Mr. Salvador Cruz Garcia actually has two other children that are his living in his home that he shares with his mother. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So when we process the guideline child support in this case, we're doing it with one child in this case and two other children living in the father's home. Is that right?
That is right.
And going forward, you're requesting that the court allow you to continue to apply for Medicaid for Aiden. Is that right?
That is right.
You agree with the state that the court should order the father to pay guideline medical support of $38 a month beginning February 1st, 2023.
I agree.
Okay. And that the guideline child support based off that minimum wage would result in child support of $178 per month to begin February 1st, 2023. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you have no objection to the state's request for 4 months worth of child support from March of 2021 through the end of June of 2021, totaling $736. All of that entirely based on those 4 months of child support and minimum wage, with the monthly payment of $54 a month to begin February 1st. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And do you believe that today's court order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes, I do.
And I ask in the court today to grant this default order against Mr. Cruz Garcia.
Yes.
Okay, Judge, I will pass this witness.